Let's make an old school shepherd's pie. Welcome back to Adornment with Adrienne. All right, Adorners, so we have some ingredients. We have some sweet peas. I have the frozen kind. We have a pack of loaded mashed potatoes. You don't have to have the loaded kind. Cut up a shallot, and I had some cilantro that I just had and I wanted to use up. So I cooked that up, and then I have a half a pack of ground turkey. I'm going to saute this up really quickly. I'm adding in some low sodium and also some Worcestershire sauce to this, and I'm gonna saute this up. Right, I added in just a little bit of water, maybe a quarter cup of water. I steamed our peas in the microwave for about a minute, and then I added them to our pan. Now it's time to fold them in gently. We don't want to break them all up, okay? We don't want to mush our peas. Fold them in with the ground turkey. Right now, what I'm gonna do is I am going to flatten the ground turkey and the peas to kind of give an even surface for our pie, right? And from there, as you can see, just to make it even. And now it's time to cook our mashed potatoes. We're just cooking to direction from the directions on the pack. And I am going to mix this up really quickly. And now it's time to just scoop this in on top of our, remember we flattened our meat and our peas, and now we're going to spread our mashed potatoes over our ground turkey and pea mixture, sort of like frosting a cake, okay? And then from there, we're going to add some seasoning to the top, pepper, or whatever your favorite seasoning is. And I had a little cheese and cilantro left, so I'm going to sprinkle some cheese over this. And yeah, we have our cheese. We're spreading over this. And once we have it completely covered, you know, all the way over with our cilantro and our cheese, I'm going to cover this for a few minutes. The pan, you could probably turn the pan off. It's up to you. It's on low. All right, and here we have an old school, wonderful, cold weather shepherd's pie. If you like more gravy, of course, you could add more water, but I wanted it to come out. The pack, it did. It actually was so wonderful, brought back memories, and is perfect for a rainy or a cold day. If you're not sure how to flavor this, just use a brown gravy packet from the store.
Okay, Adorners, so it's time to try our shepherd's pie. It came out really great, and this is something you can make in like 30 minutes. It'll feed your whole family, and it's so wonderful for a rainy or cold day. Anyway, see you in the next video. Saving hello.